Hello everybody and welcome back to Sip and App. I blinked and it's already that time of year when all I want is something warm, cozy, and just sweet enough to go with my morning coffee. And these apple cinnamon scones are exactly that. Buttery, tender, and filled with caramelized apples and warm spices. So preheat your oven and let me show you how easily and quickly they come together. We'll start by peeling and dicing one large apple. Any firm kind of apple will do, but Granny Smith is my go-to for this recipe as it keeps its shape and adds the perfect tartness. Next, melt a tablespoon of butter in the pan and saute the apples for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Then add the brown sugar and cook for a few more minutes, just until they start to soften. At this point, turn off the heat and stir in the cinnamon and a bit of pumpkin pie spice for that extra touch of fall. Set them aside to cool while we gather a few more ingredients. If you've already tried my lemon blueberry scones, you know why I love using mascarpone instead of butter and cream. It gives these scones a soft, tender texture without cutting in the cold butter or rolling the dough. With this drop scone method, you just mix, scoop, and bake. It's really that easy. After whisking together mascarpone, egg, brown sugar, vanilla, and salt, we'll sift in the flour and baking powder. Then give this a quick rough mix before gently folding in the cooled apples. Don't worry about it being perfectly mixed here. In fact, a few streaks of flour are totally fine. Next, scoop the dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet using spoons, or if you have it, a small ice cream scooper would give you the perfect mound each time. This recipe should make about 12 small scones. Finally, bake them at 425 degrees for about 22 to 25 minutes until golden brown and your whole house smells like a bakery. Now you could stop here and enjoy these scones as is, but this maple sugar glaze will just bring them to a whole new level. So I highly recommend taking this extra step. If you can't find maple sugar, you can also make a simple glaze using powdered sugar mixed with a little bit of apple cider. There you have it. Just cozy, perfectly spiced, apple-filled scones that taste like fall in every bite. Make these for lazy weekends, apple season brunches, or whenever you need a little autumn comfort. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.